Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for the Monday, 14th August 2023. See, let's have what's happening in the gold. First of all, we go to news. Monday, there's no heavy impact or medium impact news. And the market will purely move on technical basis. Let me share the screen. Yes. As you can see on the Forex Factory, market will purely move on technical basis. So that's what's happening in the market. Now, going to Dixie, as I previously mentioned to you, that this level, it has been broken. There's a four-hour chart, and the gold has come down, as you can see, in 4 hours as well. It hit the 1920 level and it came down. There is a fair value gap here. Let me go to the smaller time frame. And there is a fair value gap. In fact, we have this whole area of interest, and the market came down from there. Also, you can see Forex that this area is of interest. The market came down from here. Although we could have expected the market to go up to the 1920 to 23 level. However, the market bounced the downside from 1920 level. Let's go back to the smaller time frame now. As you can see, previously market respected this level here, and then it went to, on the news, it went to that level again. It's 15-minute chart. Let me make it. This is the level. Right. Now what we're looking at is beginning of the week, and monthly we are bearish. Weekly still bearish. Prices can come up to 1900 level and 1893 level. And if you look at the whole week scenario, you can see that in Forex Factory, that on Tuesday we have some news, nav impact news. It's August 15th, so USD. And some avocado news which affects our gold prices. We got AUD news as well. That may affect the price. We got GBP. And Tuesday and Wednesday, we have NZD and GBP. On Thursday, we have AUD and USD 130 p.m. I'm going further down to Thursday. We have AUD, NZD, and USD as well. So, and we have some news in the week as well. So we can expect the movement in gold. And if these levels are broken, which I mentioned, 1900 level and 1893 level, then we can expect further move to the downside. Now, going to daily, the gold price. In weekly, there's a fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap here. I mean, this market can go this, as I said. So this is the fair value gap. And let's go into 1 day chart, daily chart. We have amazing 1800 level, around 1800. So see how the market will move, because daily, weekly, and monthly are all bearish. So if this double bottom is broken, we can expect a very sharp movement to the downside, because the fair value gap is here. I won't be surprised, anything possible in trading, and it can break up to where the market is coming down. However, it may take some time before it breaks, probably a range on around this area, or maybe bounce to the upside first, and then it will break. Going on to the 4-hour chart, how we can place our trades for now, what we're looking for. As you know that these are our previous levels. These are the levels. And this is the level currently market stands at. It touched 1910 before it gave move to the upside. And you can see this where the market in 1912 respected this candle here. If you want to buy on this 4-hour candle close, this morning star, and as you can for hedge, we can see this level here. It could bring up to this 1916 level on the close of a candle. However, let me go further deep down and see what are the scenario building here. Yeah, we got 1920 level to the upside. And going into the smaller time frame, we got fair value gap here. 1800 level. If you refine it further, I mean, in 4H, I did say around 1916, but refining it further, you get to 1918 level, roughly, this zone, in fact. If you go further up, you add another 10, 20 pips. So even you can go into smaller time frame and take it from there as well. However, I normally analyze areas of interest not lower than 15 minutes. So this is how I do it. So we can take a sell trade if the evidence is there on this area. And stop loss would be here if you want to be going to put more stop loss, you can put further up to the upside and final take profit target would be here. And if you are using indicators or volumes and stuff like that, you can use that for multiple confirmations. However, if you just making your trades, taking your trades on purely on price action, then these are the areas of interest for the sell trade, because the momentum is still bearish, as you can see from the candles around there, and we definitely expect a sell. Maximum probably go to this level, however, I will expect probably from this level. Anyway, it's nothing fall in trading. As long as you manage your risk and manage your trades properly, then you will have no issues. I hope this is helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please get back to me. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.